Hey everybody, it's Alex from A2 Wood Art Workshop, and today I want to turn the bowl. This will be the first bowl I ever turned. I made a few just using hand tools, but using a lathe, that will be the first time. I have this piece of, I have no idea what. It has been in my workshop for a while, and I'm gonna pick this part to turn a bowl, so it will be like weirdly shaped. So this is how you can turn a bowl for the first time ever. Yay! That's the piece, and hopefully it will become a ball. Any guesses what the heck this could be? I have no clue. And I literally just did this. This way. Woo! That was forever to just mount this stuff. On this tiny lathe, I have to like cut a bunch of pieces, and now I have to do very carefully, like this, a little bit farther. Okay, so let's try. Lowest speed, pray, and start. So, am I doing something wrong? I hope not. So this is my first attempt to do it. I have no idea. I'm probably doing something wrong. That's interesting. I guess it's some kind of a safety mechanism. It's just stalling and stalling. I cannot get on the other side. I overestimated what I can do. This is ridiculous. Is that supposed to happen? I will just cut this in half. Apparently sandpaper burns. Okay, so what I'm doing, just improvised finish. So this one merely to clean up dust. I don't know, I did the few by hand, like just with the hand tools. The process was a little bit more interesting. Maybe because I didn't succeed fully for this thing. But my tools are a little bit not as sharp as this should be. Well. Well, just because I'm lazy, I'm just directly apply beeswax. My buffing thing. But overall, quite nice, quite nice. That's my bowl. Whee! I need to finish this part, but I think it's looking quite decent. And unfortunately on this lathe, that's the maximum diameter I can do. The really maximum is allegedly 8 inches diameter, which is like 4 inches stuff. But it's really hard to achieve. You have to have a perfect round before you start, which is like really impossible. This is my first attempt to turn a bowl on a lathe. I think it's pretty cool, pretty nice looking. A few nuts here that probably will be devastating if you put some water in there. So thank you for watching. Maybe join me for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Whee!